Sweat's purpose is to keep our body from overheating, and when we sweat, moisture is excreted from the sweat glands, and when it's on the skin, it evaporates and cools our body down, keeping our body heat temperature at 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius, similar to how a computer fan turns on. It'll start making that noise like zzz to keep the computer from overheating. The sweat acts as a similar mechanism. Sweat is made up of primarily 99% of water and 1% of sodium and chloride. Sodium and chloride is what makes up salt. Sweat also has trace amounts of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Besides acting as a cooling mechanism for our body heat, sweat also detoxifies waste in small amounts. So it detoxifies urea, which is a waste product from the liver. Most of urea is eliminated through urine, but there's trace amounts of urea in sweat. There is ammonia. Ammonia happens when our body breaks down protein, and small amounts is eliminated through sweat. And there's also trace amounts of lactic acid. Lactic acid is the byproduct of carbohydrates when our body uses carbohydrates as energy. There's two types of sweat glands: the eccrine sweat glands and the apocrine sweat glands. The apocrine sweat glands are located throughout our body, like our hands, our feet, legs, thighs, stomach, back, shoulders, and our face. And the eccrine sweat glands produce a more fluid liquid when we sweat, and it doesn't contain as strong as an odor. And the apocrine sweat glands are located primarily on our armpits and groin, and they produce a more thicker, more viscous liquid when it sweats in those areas. And it's composed of lipids, proteins, and carbohydrates. And it produces a strong odor because when the bacteria breaks down the sweat, it produces the odor. Apocrine sweat glands develop during puberty, and it's associated with human pheromones. I was training last week, and it was a little warm out, and I was sweating, and the sweat evaporated, and all I was left was white streaks of salt and sodium on my shirt. So when you exercise, you excrete lots of sodium. And there's been times when I'm exercising and the sweat is too salty, and I'm like squinting, like, my eyes are burning because there's too much sodium concentrations within the system. And what you want to do is dilute the sodium by drinking lots of water. So you want to drink half your body weight of water in ounces, or all your body weight of water in ounces if it's hot or cold outside. And this will dilute the sodium concentrations within your system, and your sweat will taste less salty and more watery. But if you drink too much water, it can lead to retention of water because sodium retains the water within your system, and this can lead to swelling in different areas like your feet, legs, and face. And this is where eating potassium-rich foods comes in, because when you eat potassium-rich foods, it balances the sodium concentrations within your system. So fruits like avocados, bananas, nectarines are high in potassium. Vegetables like spinach, root vegetables like carrots, taro, sweet potatoes, and potatoes are great with lots of potassium. And legumes of beans, lentils, and peas are rich in potassium. So continue to sweat, eat lots of potassium-rich foods, and this will help, as well as drinking water, and this will help to balance your sodium concentration concentrations and reduce the risk of developing hypertension. More benefits to sweat is that sweat is a natural exfoliator and hydrator of the skin, and it helps to clear out dirt, bacteria, and unclog our pores to reduce the chances of developing acne, and also helps to protect against skin infections. Activities associated with sweating, like exercise, help to relieve stress and produce serotonin, dopamine, and epinephrine. This helps you to have those good feeling, like, yeah, let's go. You'll be in the happy-go-lucky mood. On a day-to-day basis, we really don't think too much about sweating, but sweat is an essential component of the human anatomy. And if you were to remove all the colognes, perfumes, fragrances, our natural scent will be our sweat and pheromones. So the more you sweat, the luckier you get. So keep moving, keep sweating for enhanced health.